Today, you're more than a teacher. You are not what you do, you are who you be. Mickey, why you say it like that? Because the last time I checked, we're called human beings and not human doings. We get so caught up in the to-do list that we forget our to-be list. What good is it for us to be good to everyone else if we're not good to ourselves and those closest to us? So today, I didn't come to teach, I didn't come to preach, but I did come to remind you of what I call your sound. The sound I'm talking about is not an audible sound. It's an internal significance that everyone carries. Could be your gift, it can be your passion, it can be your value set. I don't know what your sound is, but everybody's got a sound. I can hear the sound everywhere, even when we're talking. I need your help. I want you to say, even when we're talking in just a second. I can hear the sound, even when we're talking. Let me hear you say it. Even when. Let me hear it again. Even when we're talking. Come on. Even. Hey, give yourselves a hand. I didn't actually tell you what to do per se. You did the modulation, you did the call and response, you did all the musical things that really is very difficult. But did it feel difficult at any point? No, because it was wrapped up in an experience. See, so much of what we teach has an opportunity to bypass the brain and go straight to the heart. But it's the way that we package it and we present it, making it personal. But that's hard sometimes because teaching is not just a work of art, it's a work of heart. And it's very difficult sometimes not to take it personal. But I want to challenge you today, even in the difficulties and the noise, don't take it personal, make it personal every day. When I played that first sound, my first note was amazing. Listen, I put that horn to my lips. That first sound was amazingly terrible. My mom, after I made that sound, she walked over to the front door. She opened it. She said, son, I see something special in you. I don't know what it is, but if you keep on going, meaning take that noise out this house. If you keep on going, you'll be successful. So I go to the driveway. Before I can get the sound out, my mom sticks her head out the window. She says, hey, keep on going. I say, Mama, that's the woods across the street. She said, I know, go. So here I am, I'm out there, and I learned something powerful. I need you. I want you to say these words to me. Keep on going. 1, 2, 3. Keep on going. Keep on going. Man, thank y'all. Look, I needed y'all in the woods back in the day. I'm be honest, nobody was clapping, right? Somebody said, Mickey, what does that have to do with today's classroom? Everything. Sometimes we can find ourselves in a situation that looks every bit like isolation. When I focused on that memory, I realized that what I was looking at was not a season of isolation, but an opportunity for elevation, so that one day I would stand on stages of celebration. I don't say this to boast or brag or impress you, but to remind you, we never know who that kid is. I start my school year off, especially my elementary kids, I call it Post-it to Purpose. I have them write down on Post-it notes what they want to get out of my class this year, so they get an experience that's customized for them. Through my music and my message, I engage, I educate, and I elevate every learner to excellence, so they know they're loved, valued, and wanted. What we bring to the classroom, the greatest single element, is this thing called love. Now somebody say, I can't tell my kids I love them. Sure you can. I tell mine every day, but I make sure I define it. I tell them every day, love for Mr. Smith means care and consistency. Are you sowing a seed of love in your class? If you do, you have no idea the impact it will create. But you have to keep on going with actions and deeds that say, I will always love you. Put them together like this. Let's go. Hey, hey.